welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be playing Escape School Obby. So let's get into it. So today I'm thinking about beating the whole obby for y'all because I'm just friendly like that. So let's see how long it takes. I actually went pretty fast. So this obby is like kind of easy. I've never played this one before, so. And we'll get into more games further into it. Boom. So I really wanted to do a Reddit confessions, but I don't know if that's gonna work out. Cause like they be long, like they be really long, and that's gonna be like half my video. And then me trying to focus on this game ain't gonna work. So let's just stick to the game plan. So yeah, I just want to see how fast. Oh, I was not supposed to do. I just want to see how fast I can finish this obby because yeah. But I'm gonna do a story time for y'all. So I remember this one time my friend told me that she was like, I don't know how to put it, gay. And I was like, okay, whatever. Just like not like homophobic or nothing. I just like don't get any ideas. So yeah. Just I hope y'all can hear that because I'm not turning it up no more because I hate listening to all of this stuff. Yes, that's my name. No questions need to be asked. A lot of stuff on Roblox has changed because I have not played Roblox in a while. I just started playing like 2 years ago, maybe. I don't know. But like, and whenever I play like Berry Avenue and stuff, I can never walk or like drive. Like I have to, when it comes down to doing stuff, I have to teleport because that's just oh damn. I'm gonna stay up here. Let's see what this is. Fellow class, today we are going on a field trip to another dimension. All I have to do is put this mix in these. Y'all, it's going way faster than y'all see it, but like it's going way faster than I'm reading, reading it. Tada, you may not go through. Bam. Candyland. I want to do a vlog for y'all because we going somewhere tomorrow. But my camp kind of strict to their phone policy. So, I don't know if I'm going to be able to... I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. But, let's go. Sorry, I'm quiet. I don't know what to say. No. Ew, he's snoring. Why he's snoring so hard? This game is actually kind of fun, not even gonna lie. Let's see. Yes. Oh my god. Wow. No. Swim. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is really easy. I was not expecting it's gonna be this easy. Like I was expecting a slight challenge. Oh, you stupid. Let's do that. Yo, I've been binge watching Alvin and the Chipmunks. That's on Netflix. Like doing it like human. And it's actually pretty good. Like I wasn't expecting it to be this good. But like it's good. And I like it. And yeah. What the freak? Oh, I got scared. Oh, man. Ooh, I beat the beat. No. All y'all teachers can list my behind. So that is all for today, you all. I'm gonna let him slide. Hold on. Boom. Yes, sliding. But that's it for today. So make sure you like and subscribe and come back. Love y'all. Bye.